Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the ABN status and any active registrations. This prevents surprises later. Once done, gather the ABN, TFN, business name, and recent BAS or tax return info so you can verify identity quickly. Make sure to choose the correct cancellation reason, cease trading versus sold or restructured, because that drives what notifications and returns remain due. You should be ready to log in to the ABR or contact the Australian Taxation Office to start the formal cancellation. You proceed to the ABR online service using MyGov ID or call the ABR if you cannot access online. As you complete the cancellation, enter the date ceased, precise reason, and an up-to-date contact email or phone so they can send confirmation. While doing this, make sure to reconcile and lodge final BAS, PAYG or income tax returns, and pay any outstanding liabilities. Otherwise, the ABN may remain flagged. If you run into validation errors, recheck formats and identity details before resubmitting. You finish by saving the ABR confirmation and any reference numbers. Retain all business records for the required period after cancellation. Then notify banks, suppliers, clients, and cancel licenses, domain names, and subscriptions to avoid ongoing fees. Once confirmed, update invoices and marketing to reflect closure. If the ABR delay or rejection happens, contact the ATO or ABR helpline immediately and, if needed, submit a paper cancellation form with supporting documents. This often resolves system or identity verification problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.